Hey, what's going on? Olayinka Taiwo is here again. And a lot of people have been asking me, how do I get my background for the video I'm creating, my teaching video? So I decided to now show you how to do it in Capcut, and it is free. You do everything in Capcut. You don't even go outside Capcut. Capcut has, they have this new AI generated uh, AI that you can use to generate the background from a from a new project. So you click new project. Let me click with the new project. So yeah. So when you get here, this is your CapCut. CapCut is free. The free version, this is what you get with your free version. So the first thing you do, after you have recorded your video somewhere else, you when you are recording, I record facing the window in the afternoon so that the light will be on my face. So when you have the light on your face, it will be so clean and clear. So you now come here and click on AI generated. So now you now put your prompt here. So I've already done that. You just say a study room with bookshelf. If you don't like this, you can adjust it. Then the way you adjust to like landscape 16.9, so that it will be like landscape. So that will fit your YouTube video. Then you click on generate. Click on generate, and it's generating it. It will give you four aspect of it. It will give you four. Give four different designs. So it's generating. It's generating. So everything you need is on CapCut. You don't need to get out of CapCut. You see, we have four different ones. So now let me take. So if you let me put this one, then you just click on apply. Now here we have it. If you don't like this, you can choose another one. You can choose this one. So this is this one. Oh, it's the same thing. Okay. Is it the same? Okay, so you delete it. You delete it. Let's take this one. I love this one. Let's take this one. You see? So you now click on the plus button. So this is what you have now. Now you now go and import the video that we have created. You can use your you don't need to use what do we call it? You don't need to do any other. You don't need to use expensive camera. You can use your laptop. I'm using my MacBook. I always record from my MacBook. You can use your camera, then you import it. So that's what I want to do now. Now let me go and import my what do you call it? My video. Okay, teaching is how many minutes? Okay. Now you bring your So you import your, let me see the video. So you import the video you want to use. Then if you look at this video is 11 minutes. So what you need to do is now to stretch this thing to 11 minutes. You'll be checking it there so that it will be at the background of your video. You stretch it to 11 minutes. This is 5 minutes. Yeah. So you now play this one on top. No. Undo. So you drag it. Don't click. You drag it and put it on top. So this is my video. Now you can see I just have the background of my room. So what you need to do is now come here. You see we have basic here. You come to remove background. This is better than canvas that I'm paying money every month for, because Canva will only remove 90 seconds, but this one will remove everything, but it might take time. So now if you look at this one, it's processing it. Now it's processing it. So you have to wait for it. It might take like 10 minutes for the process. So I will stop there. When it finishes process, I'll continue. Yes, now we can see now that the background has been removed. Simple. Now we have the background was in my room that is not, the word was not clean, but now we have it here. So after here, then you finish your editing, and after that you export. Simple. You just click export and it will export it. Then you can now put it on your YouTube. Thanks for watching. This is a simple way to do it. It just about 10 minutes, but you have to wait for maybe 10 or 20 minutes for the background to be removed, which is very good. Thank you so much. Please share this video and like if you like it. Comment and like my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.